Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Unplug the clip fan and wait 1 to 2 minutes so residual charge drains. This prevents shock. Once done, remove the front grill or clip cover by prying at the designated tabs while keeping pressure even, because plastic breaks easily. Next, use a small Phillips to remove visible screws and then gently pull the motor housing free. Make sure to note where each screw came from. Doing this gives you safe access to the fan blades and bearings for the next steps. You now clean and inspect. Blow out dust with short bursts of canned air at a 45-degree angle so you don't force debris deeper into the motor. Once clear, check blade balance and wiggle the motor shaft gently to detect play. Play means worn bearings. If bearings look dry, apply 1 to 2 drops of light needle oil into the bearing seal, and then spin the blades by hand to work the lubricant in. This reduces friction and often silences the fan. Make sure to avoid overoiling, which attracts dust. You finish by reassembling. Align the housing, replace screws, and snap the clip cover back into place so nothing rubs the blades. Then power the fan and start at low speed. Listen closely for vibration or grinding. If it's quiet, gradually increase speed to confirm success. If noise persists, try cleaning again and check blade contact points. However, a persistent grinding usually means the bearing or motor needs replacement. If that's the case, obtain the correct replacement part by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.